How to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error problem when you try to open up your Roblox launcher. First thing, you have to simply follow me. I want to show you step by step some process which helps you to successfully fix this problem. So the first thing, you have to simply press the window R and the run command will be open up, and here you can simply write the percentage local app data percentage. So first thing, you have to simply write down this command, then tap on OK. So now it will be open up your all application directory. Here you can simply tap on R and you notice that it shows the Roblox folder. Here you can simply open up the Roblox. Now here you can simply search the versions. So if you tap on a V, you notice that there is a version folder. You have to simply double tap on this one. Here you can simply open up the latest folder. Now here you can simply select the Roblox player beta. And now here at the top you notice that it shows its address. You have to simply first copy this address. Now secondly, you need to simply once again go to the search bar. Here you can simply search the exploit protection. You have to simply open up this Windows feature. Now here it shows the security feature. Here you can simply select the program settings. Now here when I scroll down, so you notice that there is no any Roblox exe. So I want to just first tap on add program to the customize. Now here select the choose extract file path. Now here you can simply paste the link that you have recently copied. So this is basically address of your Roblox launcher. Here you can simply tap on open. Now here it shows the address. Here you can simply select the Roblox player beta. Now if you tap on open, so here you find these settings. So here you need to simply enable some settings to successfully fix this problem. So the first thing, you need to simply scroll down below and here you find the control float card. So you have to simply tap on override system settings and make sure you turn off this option. Now secondly, you need to simply also enable some other options. So here you can simply scroll down. So here on a hardware enforced stick protection, you notice that there is uncheck. You have to simply tap on first this one and make sure you turn off this. So by default it is turned off, but make sure you should check mark on override system settings. After that, you need to simply require to restart your Roblox player beta. And now I want to just tap on apply. Now tap on yes. So this settings will be saved. So now I want to just restart my PC. And now when I restart my PC, so after a few seconds you will notice that the error will be automatically fixed. So I want to just restart my PC. So after restarting, you need to simply once again open up the Roblox player, and I hope in this time the error will be fixed. So as you notice that now I can easily access the Roblox launcher without any problem. So this is error which recently occurred when you update your Roblox launcher. So this is happening when you updated your Roblox launcher. So you see also these type of errors, but right now you notice that after applying these settings I can easily open up my Roblox launcher. So in this way you can easily fix this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.